Good morning viewers, you are watching Headline News on Monday, 15 November 2021 at 10 a.m. with me, Elsa Vivian. Headline News this time will preach news of traffic jam which often becomes a major problem for big cities in Indonesia, especially in capital city, not to mention congestion in Jakarta, which becomes substitution of congestion. On a typical day, the volume of vehicles already increases and becomes crowded in many areas, especially during the long holiday in the end of 2021. Congestion is not only happening in the big streets, but also happens in the direction of Cikampek Highway to Tanjung Priok Highway. The volume of vehicles looks increasingly overflowing. Congestion this time is also accompanied by heavy rain that flushes the area of East Jakarta and the surrounding areas starting this morning that causes flood, not least in Cikampek Highway. This affects the congestion that is getting worse from the direction of east to north Jakarta. Well, we will connect with my colleague Gabriel Chu for further information on Cikampek Highway, Jakarta.
Thanks to Alicia. Good morning viewers, I'm currently on Cikampek Highway, Jakarta. The congestion in this area has become a subscription and becomes a major problem for motorcyclists and cars because this bottleneck hampers the activities of the surrounding community, especially in the morning. Furthermore, now is the holiday season at the end of 2021, which affects the traffic congestion is increasingly severe in this East Jakarta area. Viewers, here not only happens congestion, but also heavy rain that floods this area since at 8 a.m. The rain that has flooded this area seems through in the area around East Jakarta, causing a long traffic jam up to about 10 kilometers from the direction of East to North Jakarta. This jam has occurred almost 2 hours and also makes the complex of houses near the highway in East Jakarta flooded to a height of 15 to 20 centimeters. Heavy rain also results in roads around the cooperative Jakarta and disrupts the road users. It is very risky and dangerous, especially for two-wheel riders. The worst congestion occurs from the flyover near the Kitsila Grand Metropolitan Mall and Mega Mall of Kiai Haji Lower Ali Street. This can be seen from the volume of both four-wheel vehicles that have filled the street since this morning. So, for you who want to take a vacation or just passing in the area of Cikampek Highway, you better choose other alternative routes because the congestion is expected to last until noon if the rain stops and water inundated areas around the highway gradually proceeds. Thus report from Cikampek Highway, Jakarta. I am Gabriel Chiu and the cameraman Quinton Anderson reporting. Back to the studio, Alicia.
Alright, thanks to Gabriel Chu who has reported the congestion that happened in Cikampek Highway, Jakarta. Viewers, this is Headline News for today. You can follow the next development in Headline News 1 hour ahead. I'm Alicia Vivian, The Treat. See you!